Hey there, it's Dan from RDP Arena. Today, I'm going to solve one of the most frustrating Windows RDP errors you'll ever face. That annoying, the folder is open in another program message that stops you from deleting or renaming folders. We've all been there. You're trying to clean up your files, and Windows suddenly blocks you with this error. Sometimes you know which program is causing it, but often it's some mysterious background process. Don't worry, I'll show you a quick foolproof method that works every time, and you won't even need to hunt down the program manually. But before I do that, let me demonstrate this problem in real time. See this folder called Locked Folder? Watch what happens when I try to delete it. There it is. The action can't be completed because the folder is open in another program. Frustrating, right? Here's how you can fix this in under a minute. On your RDP, right-click on the Start button and select Run from the menu. In the Run dialog, type resmon.exe and click OK. This will launch the Resource Monitor. Once inside the Resource Monitor window, click on the CPU tab at the top. Look for Associated Handles and click the drop-down arrow to expand this section. Now, in the search box that appears, type the exact name of your problematic folder and press Enter. Look at that. The Resource Monitor instantly shows you exactly which program or process is causing the issue with your folder. Now, just right-click on that process and select End Process. Once done, Windows will close that process, releasing its grip on your folder. Now, before we verify that it worked, I want to share some exciting news with you. We're currently running a special sale with 20% off on all RDP slots. Simply use the code you see on your screen during checkout to grab your discount. If you've been thinking about upgrading your RDP plan or trying out one of our premium servers, this is the perfect chance for you to get started. Don't wait too long though. Stocks are limited and this sale won't be around forever. Now, let's get back to the video. All right, let's see if it worked. Look at that. I can now delete the folder without any error message. You can use this method anytime Windows refuses to delete or rename a folder because something's locking it in the background. And that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the bell icon for future notifications. In case you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out.